Hi, I'm Ashley Williams. I'm the publisher of La Belle France, A Sophisticated Guide to France, and today I'm going to make a very simple arugula and fennel salad with a balsamic vinaigrette. Okay, so in this jar I've got a little bit of mustard and some balsamic. I'm going to add to that some olive oil, and this is quick and easy. Add some olive oil to that, put a top on it, shake it up. And there you've got a good little quick balsamic vinaigrette. Put that back here, and we're going to turn to the fennel. Alright, so I'll take the tops of the fennel off. I'm going to use some of these little pretty green bits, but for right now, just clean this up a little bit. So for this I'm going to use a mandolin set to kind of a medium setting, and it just makes it a whole lot easier to work with this fennel. And just start shaving it so you get these nice thin shavings. And this is going to give the arugula some body, because arugula tends to get a little bit wilted when you dress it. I'm going to do equal parts fennel and arugula. Add this to my arugula. Maybe a little bit more fennel than arugula. Okay. Drizzle it with a little bit of the balsamic vinaigrette, nice and thick. It's just beautiful. And the pepperiness of the arugula and the fennel really work well together. Sprigs on the top of the fennel. Lightly toss this together. So that's tossed. And add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and that is your very simple arugula and fennel salad. You could always add a few shavings of Parmesan to this, which would be wonderful as well. Thanks for watching.